Hello all. So a long while back I used to make my tongs with flat stock similar to this, and I would either fire weld or electrically weld on round handles. Well, since I'm not set up to electrically weld here, and I can't easily forge weld in my small gas forge, so I'll try a different way. I'll try to rivet on the handles and see how that goes. Just a bit of fun. I need to give a shout out to Bruce Butcher for his most recent donation to the channel. Really very much appreciated. Thanks, Bruce. The weather's getting much warmer, and that means that the blacksmithing bird is looking to expand his family, and means he'll be looking for food daily.
You know what wackadoo on me over here? Sticky.
If I don't give him some banana right now, he'll be hovering over my shoulder during this whole video.
Yeah, it's a big one. Alright. Better be good, bird.
Anyway, that's my good buddy.
Good, right?
I use this piece of medium carbon for somewhat stronger rivets. So my thought after looking at these blanks is that I probably could have finely tapered the end of each piece, and that would have been a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, not to mention it might have been a little bit stronger. That is, assuming the other end of the fine taper would be thicker. If someone were inclined, you could actually forge weld at this point, and it would be exponentially easier as one piece rather than trying to handle the bits and the reins separately. But in that case, you definitely want the fine tapers on the ends. Anyway, something for me to try in an upcoming video. The weak spot is where I formed the offset for the handles, and so I have to just cool that down some so that that doesn't bend when I'm adjusting. I can see that this, while maybe not very aesthetic, is a perfectly functional tong. I'll catch you guys next time. Check out my spread shop, the link's down below, and help support the channel in a different way by getting a shirt, a cap, or a mug.